There is a debate among technicians as to what type of water should be used for diluting coolant. One crowd says tap water is just fine for diluting coolant. However, tap or well water includes all of the minerals, chemicals, and particulates found in ground or municipal water sources. The other crowd says distilled water is the best choice because most minerals, chemicals, and particulates are removed through distillation. But another crowd says deionized water is the best because the destructive ions are removed. Who is right? Most Pentosin concentrated coolants recommend deionized water. This is backed up by most OEMs for the last 25 years. Last year, Stellantis recommended using distilled water when diluting concentrated coolant in a TSB for Dodge, Fiat, and Alfa Romeo vehicles. The company stated some warranty-related issues with tap water that damaged water pump seals. Their final recommendation was to use pre-diluted coolants to avoid these issues. However, it poses the question of what do fluid manufacturers use for their coolants. Most coolant manufacturers will use deionized water. This type of water has removed the ions distilling can't remove. Deionized water is created through a chemical process called deionization, which removes ions or electrically charged atoms or molecules from water. These ions can be impurities that make water unsuitable for cooling applications, as they can contribute to electrical conductivity, corrosion, and scale buildup. The best option for your coolant is deionized water. Comparative to distilled water, this water comes with all mineral ions removed. Deionization of water allows the minerals to be stripped from the water, first leaving behind the mineral ions and the remaining solution. Once that is done, the mineral ions are also removed from the solution, leaving the water in a stable, mineral-free state. When used as a coolant, unlike distilled water, deionized water doesn't strip the metal in your radiator, which can lead to corrosion. This allows your cooling system to have better performance and a longer lifetime. Pentosin's PentoFrost pre-diluted antifreeze uses deionized water in a 50-50 mix with coolants that meet or exceed OEM and ASTM requirements. The line eliminates the guesswork of mixing coolants for domestic and import applications. This can simplify the repair processes and having to mix coolant. To stay up to date with the new products from Pentosin and the rest of the CRP brand lineup, join the Jumpstart team at crpautomotive.com/jumpstart. And don't forget to subscribe to CRP's YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.